All right, guys, quick thought for you today. Costco, one of the biggest, most successful retail chains on the planet, has about 100 million members. In fact, over 100 million paid members who pay about $120 a year so they can shop at Costco and save $3 on a gallon of ketchup or save $2 on a 6-pack of socks. I mean, literally, you've got to spend about $250 to $300 just to save 28, right? At Live Good, we have the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet. Our retail prices are about a third of what other companies are selling them for. Our member price, just our multivitamin, for example, our retail price, that's our non-member price, is under $20 for a better product than a lot of other companies are selling for $40, $50, $60 or more. Our member price is under $10, $9.50 for the highest quality multivitamin on the planet. With our affiliate program, when you refer or share, we call it earn by sharing. When you introduce another person to the Live Good products, whether they become a retail customer or a member or both, you're going to get a commission every time. Now, keep in mind this. I heard this quote today, and I thought it was awesome. People don't go to Costco to make money. They go to Costco to save money. That's why people are coming to Live Good. And if you can make a little bit of money on top of it by sharing our amazing products and opportunity with other people, that's awesome. If you can make enough to cover your monthly product expense, that's awesome. If you can make a couple extra $100, a couple extra $1,000 a month, that's even more awesome. But think about this really quick, and I'll wrap it up. Most companies, especially in the network marketing industry, and there are some amazing products in this industry. In fact, you look at our closet, my wife buys a lot of products from network marketing companies because she likes high quality stuff and she spends a lot of money. But the average network marketer, and again, we get to see the statistics and the numbers and how everything works, buys the minimum amount per month to qualify for their check, especially if they're a distributor or an affiliate in the company. So the average order is about $60, and the average number of products they get for that $60 is one. Now, for people to get the products that they actually need for their health, to get a multivitamin, to get a great high-quality greens product, some protein, vitamin D3, maybe some magnesium, a lot of the products that we have. I mean, my wife spends about $300 or $400 a month on nutritional supplements. I know Lisa Goodkin, our director of product education, spends about $400 a month on nutritional supplements, and she eats healthy. So the challenge is people are spending about $60 to $100 and not getting what they need. At Live Good, because of the quality of our products and the low prices, instead of getting just one product for $60, you can get about 4 products for $60. I mean, for $100, you can get 5 or 6, 7, maybe 7 of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet and actually be healthy. That's why we created Live Good. Have an awesome day, guys.